Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Marcel and I are here this morning and we're going to see Miss Topsy. So we would have been by the roadside for a little while because unfortunately we left our memory card for our camera and did not realize until we reached here. So we're by the roadside about half an hour working up our technical skills so we could use our phone. So here we are. Marcel being handy as usual, we're able to attach our mics to our phone and so on. So we're up and running, thanks be to God. So I trust that everybody is well, and if you aren't, I pray that you will be up and running soon. So we're heading up by Miss Topsy this morning, and we have to say thanks to all our donors who continue to donate and continue to support the work that we do. All right, so
what you notice?
Jackfruit. Oh, the road.
Oh.
Road spray.
Yes.
Oh, I think it's a jackfruit. Everything drop off now. Oh wow. It's spray, that's good.
You good say drop off, not get none?
No man, the grass spray.
Oh.
Lord.
Must you stand up down there too long?
I think so.
I rest spot this.
Because we'd have reached up long time ago. Oh boy. Guys, the road tough. See how far we're coming from? Look where the car is. My heart is beating so fast. And I know some people watching us.
Water, you forget.
Water?
Yes, get some water.
Some people watching us going up the hill always comment and say, you know, I'm breathing with you up the hill.
Yeah.
You know, taking those steps. So, wow. All right. So, this morning, we are bringing a chicken from Miss Topsy that was donated by our donor from Silent Hill. For persons who watch us on a regular basis, you would have seen us bring chicken to Mas Nevi the last time.
Tell me if you see smoke.
Yes, Marcel, I see the smoke. And it was donated by our donor from Silent Hill. And now the chicken we're bringing to Miss Topsy this morning is from her as well. So we have to say thank you to her immensely. And also,
I don't know my kitchen.
And Puppy are barking now, like seriously.
Puppy?
It's Miss Topsy.
You're not good spirit.
Also, we have groceries from our donor out of New York from Miss Topsy, and
Miss
we have donation as well.
Miss Topsy!
Oh yes, in the sun hot.
Big glad to see you still.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your hairstyle a pop. You get 1 second one.
Yes.
Yeah, she told us she came.
Yes.
Yeah, man, and send us pictures too.
Really?
Yes.
So we are on holiday.
When?
The rain.
We take long to come?
And the rain. Hey, go palm veranda.
All right.
So if a plate be the one.
Yeah, get better, Miss Topsy.
Yes, if I get fat.
Yeah. Okay, you can come along.
Me go get one chair for you.
Yeah.
Me no do nothing yet, you know.
You know, do nothing?
No.
No, it's early.
Me no do no work.
Yeah.
No work yet, me just
You're just doing breakfast?
Let me eat it already.
Oh. It's I never get to go this morning.
You want it chair?
No, Miss Topsy, that's alright.
Try a hurry. Oh God. And what do you me feel sick? What do you?
Yeah.
Me feel sick. And me can't go nowhere. And the rain keep me back.
Okay, okay. So you feel better now?
Me not too bad now.
Okay.
Mine puppy, mine. Me not too bad now.
We stop today and easy if you bring the chair down with that.
You know, if me pack up me sit in a them.
Oh.
And go if you want to sit down.
No, we alright.
Eh.
So how things?
Everything alright.
Okay, good.
Call my granddaughter come look for me.
Oh, that's wonderful news.
Yes, and cut cake for me.
Oh,
For my birthday.
when was the birthday again?
April.
Oh,
But she couldn't come April, so she come May.
what date in April?
28.
28.
Oh, 28. I was born in April too.
Yes.
Yes.
Eh,
So happy belated birthday to you, Miss Topsy.
yes, and happy to you.
Oh, thank you.
You see that we have one partner.
Yes.
April are friendly people.
Yes. Yes, indeed.
And kind to people. And she just come Mother's Day.
Oh,
Make it
Sunday.
everything.
Yes.
So you get everything in a one.
Everything in a one.
So you had a wonderful Mother's Day?
Yes, man.
Oh, wow.
Let me go again. Me get me granddaughter them go over there. One girl and one boy, but the boy did go and work.
Okay. So you get to talk to the granddaughter?
Yes, and their father.
Okay.
I wanted a friend.
Yes.
One girl we did there with this one.
Okay, okay.
What them me chat to Mother's Day.
Okay. Sounds good, Miss Topsy, man.
Yes.
You had a ball.
Yes. And then I couldn't eat more than 2 little slices of cake.
Oh, no.
So me can't eat the whole part sweet.
Sweet. Okay.
You did carry some sugar for me. How me must take them one a day?
Oh, the one in the little pan? Oh, it's not one a day. It's just when if you're having a tea, you put a package of it in there because it's really small.
And it's sweet.
Yeah.
It's sweet.
So you can use too plenty.
No. Sometimes you just use half a one.
Yes, yes.
No half a one and enough.
Yeah, it's sweet.
How much you want? Where you mix it in? Got a cock.
One little cup. One little cup.
Hey, Miss Topsy, say if you're mixing it in a cork.
No, in a cup. In a one little cup. But you me no drink no tea.
Yes, that's why she have to use half a packet. Yeah, because those are still really small. There's a little drop hole in there.
2 teaspoons, they say.
See, small. Yeah. Well, you could when you cut it in two, because you don't want it to be too sweet.
No.
Yes.
Remember, so you did carry it.
Yes.
They get there.
In the year.
Oh.
Oh.
But when they see anybody, they're scared.
Okay.
Last week, my granddaughter was here and I said him never come out of ceiling till when them gone.
Oh, wow.
Puppy him no friendly with everybody.
Yes.
Cause food him want.
Yes.
But Kitty say him don't want to see them.
Stop the puppy stand guard, always stand up right there. So, Miss Topsy, we bring a chicken this morning
What?
from one of our donors in Silent Hill.
Yes.
Right. So this is yours.
Yes.
And
Thank
you have
you.
your Sunday dinner for
Yes.
tomorrow.
For tomorrow.
Right.
But me not cook it whole light one time. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. And see another bag here with groceries from our donor out of New York.
Okay.
Yes. And your coffee in there and stuff.
You send coffee?
Yes.
What is this?
Ah.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Lord. You see, Kenisa fix me up nice too.
Yes.
And Jonah did just piece of pork, so I hit him up put on for me. Can't bother with it too tough.
Oh, yeah.
You have to tenderize a beef to get one hammer and beef.
Oh, God. Yes, I mean, they are tired to sit down up in the woodland.
Oh, no, you want to go out?
Once the car pass and people.
Oh,
Yes.
God, not true.
Nothing you not see up here, only forest.
Every week we wake up a tree. Tree standing all about.
It's nice too, but too much of it, not true?
Yes, my mother would have said, too much of one thing good for nothing. Yes, and they go to church Easter.
Oh, okay.
Easter Sunday. Everybody glad to see me, but them say if me can't manage me now, we force it.
Yes. So the taxi came and pick you up, or you walk?
No, man, me walk out there.
You alone?
Me walk out there and sometimes because we buck up some people will just pick me up and drop me out of church.
Yes, help you
But
out.
when me coming up now, me once me niece son, him carry me up. But me not depend on him all the while.
Yes.
Cause him busy sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. And we have another donor as well who sent you donation.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, so we'll give him a little while.
Yes. And me thank you very much for
You are welcome, Miss Topsy.
visit me.
Yes.
Thank you. I wonder, say, but a long time I never see you know.
Yes. I know you would say that once we come.
Yeah. No, I me tell
Okay.
but me know why you don't come.
Yes. Yes.
I just something run in my mind.
Why?
Yes.
Tell me. Tell me.
Me feel that Miss Michelle did I look about something for me.
Oh.
You feel so?
Well, me did scary her. Me did show her.
Oh. Okay.
I just feel so.
Yes.
I feel so.
All right. Oh boy.
So how is the rain down there?
We have a lot of rain.
Lord mercy. Every day we have rain up here. Yes. Every day.
Yeah, it rained a lot. Yeah, it has been raining a lot.
Every day. Oh, sir. I saw me love this strange people.
Come look for you.
We're not strange. We're not strange.
We take so long.
But I know every day I see you know.
Yeah.
I know
So
every
maybe
day.
Junior should have turned strange person too.
Every day I
You have to go
say,
to stranger to Miss Topsy to man. I come visit her.
every day I say my go. Every
Where you go?
day.
You don't go that way.
She say my go.
You know if you go that way.
You know something? You know what say? I mean, I know what happened for Chubinaga Road after. They lock up one of my cousin. Yes.
Which one of your cousin? From where?
The one that live down there, so.
They lock up on?
How many pa?
You rest of man. You know? Huh?
Oh, God.
The woman say, but didn't give them money. You must say, if you ain't come to him, good ask you one for a bill at the mother.
So I had to take him to Emma.
Yeah, man, that's really.
Listen, daughter. I'm sorry for that. To hear about it.
One time you go,
Miss Michelle, you want to sit down with rest you?
No, because we are going to leave. It's all right, Miss Topsy. Once you're all right.
Yes, me all right, but
So how you on the mango them?
see me I look on one day, but one day on the ripe.
We have nothing.
We have mango. We have a common mango tree. Two of them. This three. Oh yeah, three. One.
I don't want to cheat them pick up some yesterday.
Oh.
Cheat them inside
Oh.
So you like mango, Miss Topsy?
Yes, but through the sugar me
You can have one. Oh, so see, I have one there, Jonah. I can pick it for you when him finish.
I have one ticket.
Oh, you have one already? Okay.
Yes, man. I'm thankful. No. God bless you. No.
You are welcome, Miss Topsy.
Yes. And bless you if you climb up this hill. When they go to a doctor, maybe take 1 year, me take figure on.
Yes, Junior.
Exercise.
Good exercise.
For you.
You're supposed to run up and down as you like.
I start sometime and you come up here, you have to.
You have to stop too. You see that, and you come up here every day.
The grandparents themselves. The grandparents them.
Alright, puppy.
Somebody in the bush.
Them puppy.
Somebody in the bush.
Okay, Jack in the bush.
Somebody in the bush. That's why she barking.
Or somebody move them cow.
Oh.
One cow down there. So you go.
All right, puppy.
Alright, security.
Him watch good. Him watch good. But he eat plenty.
I said, never get out of bed, then I get in with her sister.
Oh.
Big cripple foot when I'm mother and daughter.
But you still did that?
I'm still
Oh.
foot.
Good dog.
Oh.
All right, Miss Topsy, so
Eh,
we're going to leave now.
We did the year.
you was here.
Yeah.
As I give you up. Eh?
we left with memory card. So we have to use phone.
Yes.
Yeah.
You see somebody you see down there. No, it's all there. That.
Oh. Oh, okay. Uh-oh.
Derek, where you chop out?
Come, puppy.
I put you up on phone this morning. There.
Nothing much.
I come up here and look up at the man.
Mango that new up the store, dog.
Up there you go.
Yes, I'm going to pick up one wood for what is.
We pick up mango. Up at full place. Right, pick every day.
Yeah, it's that
Eh.
But they not taste good to me, man.
Too much water.
Too much, yes.
Water.
Yeah, man.
And too much water.
How you not eat it to know if it tastes good?
Too much water. Them fresh.
Every day we look mango and me not eat none.
Eh.
And them eat mango.
You know which one me like? The green skin one.
Oh.
The eat skin.
Yeah, the fine skin one.
Yes.
Blacky.
Yeah, when I get down to the seed, it's sour.
That's true.
You need me fast and for me now. Come on for me.
You pick?
A mango.
Yeah.
Then look, all right, make them call you mango.
I
What?
didn't call you a finger.
How we call this one?
Yeah. Oh, finger.
That the name just between me and him. You can't get know that the name away for.
Know what you do?
They know what I mean.
And they want to see me on TV now.
Yeah. I need to look for your fine, you know. I one man go with the promise.
You can imagine. Look how close the dog gone now.
That told me take you no one.
Yeah.
They see kitty on TV.
As a kitty so fast.
Keep your head now.
Every day post him, I go tell you, say, you what you can do and you know, I'm telling you, see you they know.
When you see me on the TV, if you talk to me.
You wipe up over Sasa Hill, man. Smoke the hill, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Alright, sir.
All right, Miss Topsy.
Yes, ma'am.
So, we're going to leave you now.
Yes.
Thanks to our donors
Yes.
for your continued support. Bless up everyone.
Yes.
And until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
And maybe battery donors.
Yeah, man, me know I just do my part.
Okay. I thank you, donors, for everything what you send for me. And everything that you do to me, I thank you. And may the good Lord bless you and keep you. Guide your footsteps in your going out and your coming in. Thank you.
Blessed love, guys.
Yes, God bless you.
Enough respect. Alright.
God,
Tomorrow you want to run, go somewhere?
no, not Palmouth.
Where you got to run?
No, Palmouth. Alberta.
Alberton.
Taxi you have to take. Take one taxi, go out there, no run.
Now, when you say run, me mean go and come back early, before the rain.
Right. Where you go out there, go do? Look for your friends.
No, we did go buy something, but see, you carry something for me already.
Okay.
So, me not go bother.
Alright.
What we can do, maybe we can go to church, go get some kersing oil,
Okay.
because sometimes we don't have no light.
Okay.
Sometimes it's dark and no light.
Okay.
So me light the lamp.
Yes. Yes.
So me will get a kersing oil. Me not worry go nowhere.
Yeah. Alright.
Yes, and thank you.
You are welcome, Miss Topsy.
And the good Lord bless you all and keep you for carrying something for me. Look something and carry it for me.
You are welcome. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.